The presentations have been really, really good. The presenters have been great. I've actually learned many things about AI that I didn't know before, or didn't maybe weren't able to classify as well as before.
The conference is really cool because there's a lot of data people, practically only data people, so definitely that's a nice match to what I'm engaged in. The people are nice, like always in Budapest.
It's phenomenal as a speaker because you can interact with the audience. They can see you, you can see them.
There are so many interesting people. I had amazing conversations just with people around. I met amazing speakers.
Yeah, like fantastic event, really quite eclectic in terms of the different types of presentations and how diverse the different fields were.
We had a talk about how we can use artificial intelligence to read between the lines of human conversation within the context of a speech application.
I've never had a talk in a theater before. Just look around here. This is amazing.